Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll show you this quick makeup look. This is very easy to create and will take only 15 to 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. So when it's about to get ready in 20 minutes, hair becomes a problem. So I will show you that solution also. For that, first I'm thoroughly combing my hair and tying a ponytail. Now I am parting my ponytail into two sections and twisted it just like this. And then rolling it like this and securing this using bobby pins. And I will keep it for almost 2 hours. Now using a wet wipe, I am cleaning my face. Then applying Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters on my face. Then taking NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Liquid Illuminated Gleam on back of my palm. And then taking Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer and mixing this two. Then applying on my face. And on neck. Now taking Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer and applying all over my face. Now taking Maybelline Your Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under eyes, around nose, on chin, on left line, on forehead and bridge of my nose, and also cover dark spots. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now taking Maybelline Your Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation in shades Natural Buff and Classic Tan, and taking both foundations on the back of my palm and mixing this and applying on my face and on neck. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline Your Fit Me Powder Porcelain and setting all the products. Now I am quickly doing my eyebrows and using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Dark Brown. Then applying NYX Professional Makeup Tinted Brow Mascara Espresso Dark Brown. Now I am taking Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush and Contour Palette Sugar and Spice and taking this color I am applying on cheeks and on nose. Then using powder, just shaping my face just like this. Then again taking the same color using a blending eyeshadow brush and applying all over my eyelid and as well blending it. Then applying on lower lash line. Now taking this shimmer color from the same palette and applying on my eyelid. Then blending the edges and also highlighting my brow bone using the same shimmer color and also highlighting my face. Now it's done. Now for lips, I am taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner Pencil Brandywine and lining my lips. Then applying a lip gloss. Now I am taking Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner Super Black 01 and I cut a thick paper in a triangular shape and glued it on a Q-tip. Now I am applying eyeliner on it and stamping it on both sides. Thus you will get a perfect wing liner every time. And now connecting it with the lines. It's done. Now we'll do to other eye. Now taking this color and applying on lower lash line. Then applying Maybelline Your Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Then applied false lashes. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner of eyes. Then setting this all using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray Seal the Deal. Now untying my hair. And combing it. So this is the final look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.